Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Glowfest, Latin Fest that was scheduled to be held at Morji Eco-Sensitive Beach on May 25th has been cancelled after public outcry. The Director of Tourism Department has also clarified that the department has neither given any permission nor has received any application for the Latin Fest. Director said that the beach is notified as a turtle nesting site and necessary action will be taken against the fest. Listen in.
It's a good question. In fact, as I mentioned earlier also, tourism department has been focusing on regenerative tourism. That means sustainable tourism, beyond the sustainability. So in this aspect, even we came to know through newspaper article only, and thanks to media. And we haven't received any application regarding that, and we haven't given any permission for the same. So we'll take necessary action for in this regard. Thank you.
Mr. Archibald, when action will be taken and how what you are planning to do, because since you are not aware and you came to know everybody
Yes.
came to know through social media, so what action can be taken against this?
First of all, without tourism department permission, it cannot be held there. So, and if it is if it is impacting environmentally, certainly we don't allow it about festivals.
There are many such events that are going on without having tourism department permission. So what is the guarantee that these people are going to write to you or that they are going to have a Latin festival?
We came to know this thing, as I mentioned to you. We won't allow that thing to happen.
Footpaths along the Panjim roads have become open parking lots for indisciplined 2- and 4-wheeler users. Many have complained that because of the digging work, they cannot find parking spot. However, the police personnel have been seen ignoring this problem conveniently. Watch Upendra Naik's special report.
Vehicles, mostly two-wheelers parked on footpaths, pedestrian sidewalks, is a common scene in the Smart City Panjim. Dug up roads for Smart City work has aggravated the problem. 18 June Road, market areas and the KTC bus stand areas are the most affected places due to haphazard parking. People are forced to walk on the road, adding to the traffic woes. Traffic police say that because of the digging of roads, they are forced to be lenient on the defaulters.
Mostly zebra crossing राहते उभारता प्लस फुटपाथार नो पार्किंगाचे उभारता खुबशे कडेन आतां कितें आसा सिटीन सगळे फोडलेले आहा त्यामुळे थोडेशे नो एंट्रीचे सुद्दां आमकां हें नो एंट्री त्या गाडयो खूब वयता पूण फोडलेले असल्या कारणान मातशें समजून घेवचें पडटा पण झेब्रा क्रॉसिंगार तर खूब गाडी लायल्यो आसता तेन्ना लोक झेब्रा क्रॉसिंगाच्या आमी उखलता त्रास जाता आनी
फुटपाथा वयले तुमी चडशे
फुटपाथा वयले उखलता हय हय
तुमी आतां फुटपाथा वयले खंयचे उबारले
फुटपाथा वयले आमकां सद्या हांगाच मेळ्ळा गाडी आनी खंय मेळना
आपले चिल्ड्रन्स पार्का कडेन
चिल्ड्रन पार्का कडेन
तुमी हेज्या कालूय हांगच्यो गाडयो उबारलेल्यो पास केल्ल्यो त्यो फुटपाथा वयले
फुटपाथा
सो तुमी ह्यो व्हरता आनी मागीर पोलीस स्टेशनार दवरता
हय ट्राफीक सरान दवरता म्हणजे कितें चलन आदेश इश्यू करता आनी करता
Upendra Naik for Herald TV.
Educationists and environmentalists have cautioned the government for the implementation of national education policy. They say that without inclusive education and connect to ground realities, the policy will fail to foster in the required improvements in the field of education in Goa.
There is need to make students aware about the natural resources around them, environmental values, the cultural values and humanitarian values are more important in education system. If the proper attention is paid to all these things, I am sure that the children will going to get the new direction and dimension, and the government should improve the necessary infrastructure. Teaching faculties should be made well educated, and they should be properly given knowledge about the aspect of the new education policy. Then only the transformation is possible in Goa and India.
आता सगळे शिक्षक बाद जातले.
आं.
म्हणजे आता जे इवन प्रायमरी स्कूल आसा, प्रायमरी गव्हर्मेंट स्कुलां,
सांगा सांग.
ती हायस्कूल हे सगळे आता कमी जाय पिरायडी ती प्रायव्हेटाच्या हातीन वयतली. अशा पद्दतीन ती एज्युकेशनल पॉलिसी केल्या. म्हणजे सरकाराक एज्युकेशनाचेर खर्च करपाची इच्छा ना, म्हणजे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक. त्यामुळे त्यांच्यानी ती पॉलिसी तशी काढल्या. आणि शेवटी परिस्थिती अशी जातली की जे आपले गरीब आसात, जांकां जेवण खाण मेळना, म्हणजे जे 50 कोटी लोक आसात, त्यांचे भुरग्यांचे शिक्षणापासून त्यांना वंचित करणारी नवी एज्युकेशनल पॉलिसी. कळ्ळें. आणि प्रत्यक्षात कांयच ना. आमी व्हडले उलो नवे एज्युकेशन पॉलिसीचे, पण दुसरी सायड आसा न्ही सामाजीक, आणि जी आमची गरिबी जी एकूण परिस्थिती आसा ती पळयली जाय जाल्यार बहुतेक गरीब, आदिवासी, दलित ह्या लोकांक शिक्षणापासून वंचित दवरप आणि फक्त एक श्रम करणारो वर्ग उभो करप भारतात. ह्याच्या पलीकडे हे एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी कांयच करणे शक्य ना.
Taxi owners have raised concern over the recent announcement by the Konkan Railway Corporation Limited regarding the rental vehicles. Taxi owners said that this decision will destroy the local businesses and have urged to take back their decision to safeguard the local businesses. Watch.
तो स्टेटमेंट केला पळय तो सारको टोटली लोकलांच्या सारके अगेन्स्ट गेल्लो आसा. जे लोकल जे आमचे स्थानिक बिजनेस करतात इतले पयलींच्यान तांच्या बिजनेसाच्या पोटार आड येवपाक. सो हांव तांकां इतलें सांगपाक सोदता, सर तुमी हो स्टेटमेंट केला तो स्टेटमेंट परतो घेवचे ना. ते कितें करपाक सोदता पळय सर ते थंयच स्टॉप करचें. कित्या खातीर तो आमी आयज कितले वर्सां पयलींचो बिजनेस हो हांगा चलयता, जावं आतां आमी जशे भुरगे ह्या फिल्डान येयला. सर तुमी तो स्टेटमेंट करता कोण मुखार सरपाना. सर ते सटन मनशाचो बिजनेस तुमी प्रमोट करपाक सोदता. जो रेंट बाय हो बिजनेस चलो आसा पळय सर तो काबार करपाक उठला. सो हेचेर कितलें सांगपाक सोदता सर, ह्या बिजनेसाचेर तुमी वचनाका. कित्याक हो बिजनेस हांगा प्रमोट जालो फाल्यां आमची भाडी जी आसा पळय लॉंग डिस्टन्स भाडी ती भाडी येवपाना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो एक ट्युरिझमाचो एप जो येयल्लो आसा गोवा मायल्स ऑलरेडी तेजेर काबार जाल्ले आसा. ऑनलायन बिजनेस तेंच्यांनी हाडला, रेंट काप ते काबार जाला. आनी तेंचो कसो एक मनशाच्यो 10 गाडी आसा, तांकां काय फरक पडना, ते मेळटा ते रेटीन दिता. आनी आमचो कसो एक गाडी घेवन आमी फूल फॅमिली चलयता. आयज आमी इतले गॅदर जाला हांगा कित्या खातीर आमच्या मनशाच्या पोटार येता. सो हो स्टेटमेंट आमकां मुखार एक त्रास दिल्लो स्टेटमेंट जातलो. सो हांव सराक इतलें सांगता सर तुमी जो म्हणटा पळय सो स्टेटमेंट फाटीं घेवचें. आयज आमचे लोकल आमदार ना, सद्या आउट ऑफ स्टेशन आसा. सो आमी तेजे कडेन वचपाक मेळना. जेन्ना तो येतलो आमी तेजे कडेन मुद्दो मांडटलो. सदां हितून आयज काल आमी हांगा जोडटा तेच्या खातीर आमी जोडपा पावला. सो आयज आमी आमदारा कडेन वयतले, आमदारा कडेन सांगतलें मांडटलें आनी आमकां खबर आसा आमदार आमकां हेल्प करतलो. कित्याक लोकला खातीर आमचो आमदार सदांच आसा वांगडा. सर तुमी MD म्हणून सर तुमी कसलो स्टेटमेंट करपाक शकना आमच्या खातीर. कित्याक लोकल बिजनेस आयज काबार जातलो. फाल्यां तुमी हांगा हो बिजनेस प्रमोट करतलो जाल्यार त्रास तुमी सर चेंज जावन येतले. फाल्यां बिजनेस आमचो काबार जातलो. फाल्यां कोण कोणा पळोवपा ना. कित्याक आमची एक गाडयो घेतला ते गाडयेचो लोन आसता, कितें आसा तें भरपाक त्रास जाता. कोण आमच्या फाटीं उबे रावपा ना. सो आमकां सर इतलें सांगपाक सोदता तुमी जो स्टेटमेंट केला फाटीं तुमचे कडेन सर आमी उलयले तेन्ना तुमी सांगलेले हो कंपाउंड आमचो आमी कितें करपाक शकता. सो आमी केन्ना हाडपाक शकता, तुमकां रायट ना म्हणून. सर तूं तशें म्हणपाक सोदता जाल्यार सर आमच्या सगळ्या वटेन हांव तुका एक सांगपाक सोदता, जर तर ती एरिया तुमची रेल्वेची म्हणटा ही भायली प्रेमासीस एरिया ती आमची आसतली. तुमी मागीर आमकां सांगनाका सर कित्याक म्हणून आमी हांगाचे रस्तो बंद करून दवरलेला. कित्याक पोर्टार आमचे येयला आमी रस्तो बंद धरतलोच. कित्याक तुमी तुमचे रेल्वे एरिया तुमची म्हणटा प्रेमासीस जाल्यार ही भायली एरिया आमची आसतली लोकलांची, जे स्थानिक लोक आसा तेंचे. हांव इतलेंच मागता तुमचे कडेन हो तुमी घेता तो मुद्दो तो रेंट काराचो मुद्दो घेवपाक वचनाका. ते तूं सर्टन मनशांक प्रमोट करता जो लोकलांचो बिजनेस काबार करता. सो आमकां लोकलाचो बिजनेस प्रमोट करपाक आमकां तुमचो हेल्प जाय. तुमी रेल्वे वाडया आनी रेल्वे वाडा आमकां धंदो वाडया म्हणल्यार तुमी ते हितून बिजनेसा भितर सरनाका सर. रेल्वे वाडा आमकां हेल्प करा आमच्या सगळ्या.
In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to several people to know their view on whether the government should finance and facilitate only those new industries which provide maximum employment to Goans and stick to this rule.
See, the question that is being posed is whether the government should assist financially in different forms to industries who fail to give employment to Goan youth. Now this was a rule made long time back, if I recollect, and if my memory tells me, it was done when Louisine Fuller was the industries minister, that 80% should be employed, should be Goans. And then there was subsidy given, 25% subsidy. that rule was never ever followed. Go to any industry in Goa, you will hardly find 10%. Forget 80%, you will not even find 50%. So tell me, what is the government doing? Has the government to be told when the records very clearly show that Goa has the highest unemployment rate? Our youth do not know what to do after passing out from various streams. Now, when land which has reached today beyond a common man, Goan man to purchase, the industry land is given as a throwaway price. Power which is so scarce for the Goan himself, they are given in priority. Water which we don't get 24 hours but industries get for 24 hours. Now when all this is being given to them, should it not be the government's duty to see that 80% or at least 75% Goans are employed?
खरें म्हटल्यार आयज गव्हर्मेंटान विचार करूंक जाय, ज्यो नवी इंडस्ट्रीज येता तांकां वाव दिवपा खातीर, तांकां हेल्प करपा खातीर आमचो फायनान्स जर दिता आनी तांकां फॅसिलिटेट करता, जर न्यू इंडस्ट्री येवपा खातीर आमी सगळ्योच करूंक जाय गव्हर्मेंटाचें. पण दुसऱ्या वाटेन आमी अशें चिंतूंक जाय, गव्हर्मेंटान एक बरो प्लान करूंक जाय. जेन्ना आमी तांकां इतले फॅसिलिटेट करता किंवा आमी तांकां फायनान्स दिता, तो आमचो पयसो टॅक्स पेयरांचो पयसो आमचो सगळ्यांचो जावन आसा, गोंयकारांचो जावन आसा. त्या खातीर पयले सुवातीर गव्हर्मेंटान एक अशी क्रायटेरिया करूंक जाय जेणे करून जे कोणी आमच्या जमनीचेर इंडस्ट्रीज घालतले, नवे उद्योग करतले, तांकां सांगूंक जाय, तांकां एग्रीमेंट करूंक जाय की 80% तरी आमकां स्थानीक लोकांक नोकरी दिवंक जाय. आमचे जे यूथ जे आसा आयज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आहा, खुबशे जाण बेकार भोंवता आनी त्या खातीर ते कितें करता, थोडे मागीर कॅनडाक चल्ले, पुर्तुगाल पासपोर्ट करता आनी ते भायर चल्ले, गोंय सोडटा. हो खरो म्हटल्यार आमकां म्हणटा ते यूथ फाल्यां सकाळी ना जातले. हो विचार गव्हर्मेंटान करपाची गरज जावन आसा. जर तर बरी फॅसिलिटी आनी बरें एम्प्लॉयमेंट जर क्रिएट करता जर खरें यूथ ते भायर केन्नाच वयचे ना, कित्याक गोंय हें आमचें सगळ्यांचें जावन आसा, हें गोंयकारपण दवरपाची गरज जावन आसा. आनी यूथ आमचे इतले भरकटलेले आसा कित्याक ते फक्त पळयता आपल्या पोटाचें, आनी बरोबर आहा तेंचें पोटूच ना जाल्यार मागीर जगतले कशें ते. हो विचार गव्हर्मेंटान खरें करूंक जाय. आनी जेन्ना फायनान्स करता, तांकां फॅसिलिटेट करता, तेन्ना ते कंडिशन एक आसूंकूच जाय 80%. आनी ह्या उताराचेर, ह्या एग्रीमेंटाचेर खरें गव्हर्मेंटान रावूंक जाय. नाल्यार मोपा जशें आमकां 75% सांगलेलें आनी मागीर भावून आपलें कामूच करिना, तसलें जायना तें. प्रत्येक गव्हर्मेंटाचे विचार आसूंक जाय की बाबा 75% 80% आमकां गव्हर्मेंट नोकरी दिवंक जाय, जेणे करून जे युथांक अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जो प्रॉब्लेम आहा तो सॉल्व जातलो. आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक जे कितें भार आसा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचे ते सगळो सॉल्व जावन गव्हर्मेंट एक बरो रामराज्य करूं शकता. ह्या खातीर युथांचो प्रश्न आसा, हो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो प्रश्न आहा, त्या खातीर तुमी त्या कंडिशनाक सारकें रावूंक जाय.
आयज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट म्हणटा तो एक बिगस्ट सेटबॅक आसा आमच्या स्टेटीक. आनी जेन्ना आमची स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट ह्या भायल्या कंपनींक गोंयान जागो दिता, उदक दिता, कमी रेटीन दिता, लायट दिता, सगळें तांकां जें एसेन्शियल जाय तितलें आमी दितात. मागीर त्या कंपनीची ड्युटी आसता की दे शूड मेक शुअर दॅट दे प्रोवायड जॉब्स टू लोकल्स एट खंयच्याय लेवलाचेर. म्हाका दिसता रायट फ्रॉम द बेजीक रिक्वायरमेंट टू द टॉप मोस्ट. म्हाका दिसता लोकल्स पयलीं प्रेफरन्स आसपा जाय ह्या कंपनी खातीर. आयज तुमी पळयत जाल्यार महाराष्ट्रान वसात जावं दुसरे खंयचे स्टेटींनी वसात, ते पयले प्रेफरन्स जे आहा ते आपल्या लोकांक दितात, ते आपल्या लोकांचे स्कील डेवलपमेंट करतात आनी ते भाशेन त्या कंपनीन तांकां जॉब प्लेसमेंट दिता. आयज गोंयान ही गरज आसा. एक म्हाका दिसता IDCन प्लस चीफ मिनिस्टरान इंटरव्हीन जावन एक हें आमचे एक ग्रूप सेटअप करपाक जाय, एक टीम सेटअप करपाक जाय जी मॉनिटरींग करतली की खंयच्यो ह्यो कंपनीज गोंयान ज्यो आसा त्यो आमच्या गोंयकारांक कितले जॉब दितात, भायल्यांक कितले जॉब दितात, पे स्केल कसो आसा. मागीर जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स आसता, जॉबूच न्ही ती, तितून भितर मागीर कॅन्टीन आसता, जावं क्लिनींग आसता, गार्बेज कलेक्शन आसता, वॉटर सप्लाय आसता. ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सगळे लोकल्सांक कशें मेळपा जाय हेजेर समज गव्हर्मेंटान एक टीम सेटअप करून रिसर्च केलो, स्टडी केली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ह्या गोंयान कमी जावपाक शकता. आयज आमी पळयतात की इंडस्ट्रीक लागून आयज खुबश्यो इंडियेच्यो दुसऱ्यो स्टेट्स ज्यो आसा आयज भरपूर फायनान्शियली वयर पावल्ले आसा, तेंची इकनॉमी वयर आसा, आयज ती गरज गोंयान आसा. आनी समज ह्यो कंपनी ज्यो गोंयान आसा त्यो म्हणटात की आमच्या लोकां भितर तें स्कील ना, जाल्यार तें खंयचें स्कील ना. मागीर स्कील डेवलॉपमेंटाक इन्स्टिट्यूशनांनी CSR अंडर तेणी फायनान्स करपाक जाता, जावं तेणी आनी खंय आपले ट्रेनींग कॅम्प्स दिवपाक जाता ह्या कंपनीन, आनी जे भाशेन तांकां स्कील लेबर जाय ते भाशेन स्कील ट्रेनींग दिवपाक जाता. ह्यो सगल्यो गजाली म्हाका दिसता लक्षांत घेतल्यो जाल्यार अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आमकां गव्हर्मेंट जॉबूच न्ही तर प्रायवेट सॅक्टरान आमकां खुबशें एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट जावपाक शकतलें. हें स्टेटीकूय बरें आसतलें आनी फ्युचर पिडीयेकूय बरें आसतलें.
An illegal tree cutting was witnessed by the residents of Talegaon, wherein the owner of the land claimed that they have the right to cut down the trees, but the residents retaliated, stating that the tree belonged to the Comunidad of Talegaon. Without any proper documentation, felling of tree are being held despite facing opposition from the locals.
Hi everyone, today we are in Talegaon and if you can see behind me there's a tree cutting happening. From yesterday it's been happening and we've tried to put a stop to it. They do not have all the documentation to show us and all that they're saying is this property belongs to their boss. Now yesterday when we did the whole inspection we've got to know that this section where the tree is doesn't even belong to them. It belongs to the Comunidad of Talegaon, and that's why I have the attorney with me here, even Xavier Almeida, who's seeing this thing. Now this is a rampant thing that's happening on. Yesterday morning they came in, we stopped the work. In the evening they came in, we stopped the work, and we showed the police the documentation. But if you see right now, again today morning, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and now you can see that again they've come to cut the tree. The locals are down here. You can see the locals over here who have come down in support of this. This is ridiculous. This is a criminal offense that is going on over here, and they have marked this whole property as theirs. Yesterday, into looking at it, we realized that this property doesn't belong to them and it belongs to the Comunidad. I'll repeat this: it doesn't belong to the owners of this section where the tree is, and they're cutting this tree. This is a criminal offense that's happening. Now I will show you what's happening totally. See here, this is from their office. We are asking her to show the documents, survey maps. They don't have the survey maps to show us. Alright, they don't have the survey maps to show us, and they are not showing us documents. We have the documents to show, but they are not bringing the documents. Even that gentleman over there belongs to the party. He's saying it's his boss's land. Here she's saying this is the boss's land. Now they don't have proper demarcations. The property that belongs to them is 188/4. This is the property, this section. But this tree belongs to Comunidad de Goa. Alright, sorry, it belongs to the Talegaon. And this section, if you can see over here, this whole, right up to here, doesn't belong to them. And they're continuously cutting down the tree. This is ridiculous that's happening.
Corporate City of Panjim carried out a pre-monsoon work of cleaning the main drainage system in Panjim, located in from Azad Maidan to the main road petrol pump. The drains faced a blockage as a concrete slab and debris were thrown into drains.
The CCP officials dug up the entire drain stretch from Azad Maidan to the main road petrol pump to remove any dirt and blockages. The officials began the work last Friday. The drain was filled with dirt, debris and concrete slab that was thrown in the drains. This, in turn, caused a huge blockage in the drains. This pre-monsoon work will help the drains from 18 June Road to have a smooth flow of the wastewater. Through this work, the flooding of 18 June Road will be reduced as the wastewater will have a way to exit. Sagun for Herald TV.
Discarded plywood from the mini golf course set up near Miramar Beach during the National Games last year has been fashioned into makeshift beds atop the trees. Tourists visiting the state have taken full advantage of these beds during their siesta time.
In a surprising event, recently the discarded plywood planks from the mini golf course which was set up for the National Games near Miramar Beach have been reused for leisure time. The planks are nailed up on the trees, making a bed-like structure where one can sit, sleep and keep their stuff on it. This has attracted many tourists to use it as a bench to sit on while others were seen sleeping. Sagun for Herald TV.
Lotli farmers and villagers on Thursday assembled to protest in anticipation of PWD officials carrying out a demarcation exercise for the new Bori Bridge. As per the farmers, this marks the third demarcation meeting wherein the officials were unable to show themselves despite issuing a notice of their arrival.
नाव म्हगे सॅन फ्रांसिस्को फर्नांडीस सरपंच लोतलीम. आयज आमकां डिमार्केशना येवपा अपडेट मेळ्ळो पेपराचेर येयल्ले बट येवनाय ते कॅन्सल जाला. आमी लेटर सगळे धाडलो आहाय तांकां रिक्वायरमेंट्स लिस्ट धाडलो आहा सगळे बट अजून पासून रिप्लाय कांय ना तेंचो.
सो सरपंच सडनली समज तेणी प्लॅन केलो तुमी सगळे एडमिशन डिस्पोज जाले उपरांत ते येयले जाल्यार तुमचें नेक्स्ट एक्शन कितें आसतलें?
आमी ते डिमार्केशना येवपा आमी ह्या दिसांनी हिंगा आहाय सगळे रावताय तांकां आनी आमकां अपडेट मेळ्ळे पाटी आमी रेडी रावलो आहाय. सो ते येता तेन्ना आमी आसतले हिंगा आसतले.
पण 23rd ते येयल्यार तुमी कितें करतले काय म्हणून 23rd म्हणटा डेट आमी पयलीं म्हणटा आमी फाटल्यान रावलो न्हय. 23rd आमी शेतकार आमगे सगलो लोटलेलो तो लोक आमकां तो कितू एकठांय जालो तो कित्याक आमी शेतां लागून प्रोटेक्ट करूं कितले पाट येयले आमी येतले कित्याक तेणी पार्ट केलो ना पूण पंचायत तेणी इन्फॉर्म करून पार्ट केला. आमी इग्नोर करपा जायना गव्हर्मेंट फक्त आतां आजून देखून ते येयले नाय ऑफिशियली म्हणटा आमी कांय केलें ना पूण खंयच्या वगात ते येत म्हूण कळ्ळ्यार आमी एकठांय जातले कित्याक आमी आमगे शेतांक केशी प्रोटेक्ट करतले.
In the ongoing scandal of Shreya Dhargalkar making disrespectful comments about Devi Lairai, the devotees gathered at the Bicholi police station to demand an immediate apprehension of Shreya. After getting bail from Kungoli police station, Bicholi police apprehended Shreya for judicial custody in Bicholi.
थंयच्यान ताका रिलीज केले बेलीचेर उकळे थंयच्यान आनी ताका ते रिलीज करून बिचोली जे पुलीस PI आसा पळय तेंच्यान ताका थंयच अरेस्ट केलें थंयसर आनी थंयच्यान अरेस्ट करून ताका हांगा हाडलें पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर. हांगा पुलीस स्टेशन हाडला पळय तेन्ना आमी कोणूच हांगा नाशिल्ले पण ते हांगा येवन ताका हाडून तेंच्यांनी प्रोसेस केलो सगळो हांगच्यान आनी हांगच्यान मागीर ताका ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी घेवपाक लागून ताका वाळपय व्हेल्लें आनी वाळपय जजा मुखार प्रोड्यूस करून ती आमकां ऑर्डर दाखयली तेंच्यांनी ताका ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी दिल्या. 4 जून पासून ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी दिल्या. आतां हो जो प्रोसेस तेंच्यांनी आपले सायडीसून फूल कंप्लीट केलो. जेन्ना आमी व्हेरीफाय केलें आमकां डॉक्युमेंटूय दाखयले तेंच्यांनी जे कोर्टाची जी ऑर्डर आसा ती ऑर्डरूय दाखयली ती ताका ज्युडिशियल कस्टडीन थंय दवरला. तेंच्यांनी एक तांचे सायडीच्यान आपले पद्दतीन फूल कॉपरेशन केलें तेंच्यांनी पण तातूंत तांकां एक भंय आशिल्लो कित्याक आमी म्हणटाले पळय आमकां ती जाय हांगासर जाय पण तांकां तेंचेरूय जबाबदारी आसा की ते ऑफिसर आसल्या कारणान ती ज्युडिशियल कस्टडीन किंवा खंयचे पुलीस कस्टडीन ताका घेता खंयच्या अक्युजाक तेन्ना ते अक्युजाची सेफ्टी कित्याक ती ऑर्डर जी आसा ज्या कोर्टाची कुंकळेच्या कोर्टान थंय ऑर्डर पास केल्ली केप्याच्या त्या केप्याच्या कोर्टान ऑर्डर पास केली बरयला सेफ कस्टडी ताका सेफली व्हरपाक जाय म्हणजे बरयल्लें आसा सो तांकां ती प्रिकॉशन मेजर घेवपाक लागून ताका ते ही मॉब जे आमचे लोक आसा सगळे ती सायकोलॉजी सगळ्यांची एक सिमिलर नासता खंय वेगळी जावं शकता की हांव बरोबर म्हणटलो की बाबा हांव तयार आसा हांव काय हात घालचो ना काय करचो ना पण अशी सायकोलॉजी थोड्यांची आसूं शकता त्या पद्दतीन की तांकां खबर आसा ते चिंततात आपले भशेनच्यान की आमी जर हाडले ताका हाडटानूच समज कोणी जर कितें केलें वायट बरें जाल्यार तांचो जॉब वतलो.
Dr. Dhaval of GMC said that KP1 and KP2 subvariants have made their way to Goa with samples of as many as 16 patients tracked by the state's genome sequencing laboratory after being the cause of rise in Singapore. Dr. Dhaval further said that, however, there is nothing to be worried about as all the 16 patients have recovered at home. Watch.
Yeah, there were around 30 samples which were sequenced at Azilo Hospital under the DHS, that is the North Goa District Hospital. 30 samples, out of which one sample was found to be KP1 positive and 11 samples were to be found of KP2 positive. Now this KP1 sample is prevalent all over India, the recent outbreak, but the virulence of this KP1 is low. The transmissibility is similar because it's an Omicron variant, so the transmissibility is same as the Omicron type. But the virulence is lower than the predecessor, that is the Delta variant. It's much more less as compared to the Omicron variant, which was in the third phase of the COVID pandemic. So we are equipped, Goa Medical College is equipped with doing gene sequencing. We have a state-of-the-art Illumina machine, which was been sponsored by UNICEF for us. So it was a free of cost machine which was given to us. We have a state-of-art VRDL lab also, which is there in which we have already run one run of gene sequencing, which was validated by National Institute of Virology, Pune. Now, as cases come, this machine has a capacity of around 96 samples. So whenever COVID outbreak is there, if it is positive and if the city value of that particular COVID samples are less than 25, then we can directly put it for sequencing.
A speeding four-wheeler car fell into Nalla in Marcel near Goa Bagaidar after the driver lost control of the vehicle. The vehicle even took with itself a parked scooter and a pedestrian passing by. Fortunately, no fatalities were reported. However, the pedestrian has been injured and shifted to the hospital for medical attention.
स्कूटर रुका हुआ था, फेरा हुआ था और एक आदमी चल के जा रहा था बागादर में, वो आदमी को मार के अंदर लिया और बुद्धि उधर से गए।
वो आदमी अभी किधर है?
वो नोटेट लेके हॉस्पिटल में ले गया उसको।
उस हॉस्पिटल में लेके आए। कितने बजे हुआ ये?
ये अभी 1 घंटा पहले।
भागे रहता है क्या? गाड़ी में तुम थे? हाँ। क्या हो गया?
वो सामान काम के लेके जा रहा था।
हाँ।
काम करने के लिए।
हाँ।
तो वो सामान नहीं था तो बोला चलो उधर से लेके आएंगे तब जाएंगे।
हाँ, फिर
तभी तो इधर आके गिरिए गया गाड़ी।
हाँ, क्या कैसे गिर गए? क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया?
वो चलाता है तो वो मालूम ना, हम लोग पीछे बैठा है।
आपको नहीं दिखा है क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया?
वो 2 बार गाड़ी खट खट किया और बाद में स्पीड हो गया। और स्पीड होने के बाद
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
भागीरथ सिंह।
और उसका
मालूम नहीं क्या नाम
है। कितने बजे हुआ? 9:30 बजे?
9 बजे के करीब में हुआ है।
Naveli Inter-Ward Football Tournament played at Government Primary School Ground Talauli on Wednesday. Politics boys defeated Revora boys by 4-0 goals. Presley Gomes, Meliston Dice, Shannon Dice and Denroy Vaz netted for Politics boys. In another match, Red Bull Talauli defeated Spring Boys Mandopa 5-4 via the tie-breaker. The Chapel Feast of Bandora, meaning the Feast of Saint Roque, celebrated at Saint Roque Chapel, Bandora on Thursday. Father Seville Antam was the main celebrant for the feast mass, besides other con-celebrant chaplain Father Salvador. That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Oheraldu on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.